QuickBooks Online, QBO, offers robust inventory tracking in Plus and Advanced plans, not available in Essentials or Simple Start. It tracks stock levels, costs, sales, and reorder points, ideal for retail, wholesale, or e-commerce businesses. Setup steps. Enable inventory tracking. Go to gear icon, account and settings, sales, products and services. Turn on track inventory quantity on hand. Save. Add inventory items, sales, products and services. New, select inventory. Enter name and SKU description. Initial quantity on hand, reorder point, alert when low. Purchase cost, sales price. Income, expense accounts. For example, COGS, inventory asset. Save. Record purchases and sales by. Stock, new, purchase order, or bill. Add inventory items, quantity and cost. Auto update stock. Sell, create invoice or sales receipt. Select inventory item. Quantity deducts from stock automatically. Adjust manually. Plus, new. Adjust quantity for shrinkage, damage, or counts. Monitor and reorder. Run key reports. Inventory valuation summary. Total value of stock. Inventory. Stock status. Low stock alerts. Product or service list. Current quantities. Set low stock alerts. Products and services. Edit item. Enable reorder point. Advanced features. Advanced plan. Use inventory sites and locations. Track stock across warehouses and bundles. Sell product kits.